Imagine standing where warriors once clashed thousands of years ago, not just guessing, but seeing the battle unfold before your eyes. Today, historians use cutting-edge tools like LiDAR, satellite imagery, and 3D modeling to reconstruct ancient battlefields with stunning accuracy. Every ridge, river, and weapon fragment helps experts simulate troop movements and tactics in real time, revealing how geography shaped victory and defeat. Through AI-powered analysis, researchers can now test ancient strategies, identify lost camps, and even retrace the footsteps of legendary warriors. The past is no longer buried. It's being rebuilt, one pixel at a time.